question number 15 is about a floor 5 meter by 20 meter is covered by square tiles of height 20 centimeter. How many tiles are needed? You have to calculate how many tiles are needed in this rectangular region, and dimension of tiles are also given. They are square tiles of dimension 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Okay, so how to calculate area of the floor, because this is a rectangle. So area of the floor is length times breadth. Length is 20 meter and breadth is 5 meter. 20 meter times 5 meter is 100 meter square. If you convert meter square into centimeter square, you have to multiply 100 meter square by 100 square. So 100 meter square multiplied by 100 square is 10 lakh centimeter square. You now find what is the area of tile. Area of tile is, because it is a square, so length times square area formula is length times length. 20 centimeter times 20 centimeter is 400 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate number of tile needed. So therefore number of tiles needed, number of tiles needed is equals to area of the floor divided by area of the square tiles. Okay, number of tiles needed, area of the floor is 10 lakh centimeter square and area of the square tiles is 400 centimeter square. So centimeter square cancel with centimeter square, 20 cancel with 2 zeros, and it is now become 10,000 over 4. 10,000 over 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 5s are 10. 0 0 0. 2 1s are 2. 225. Hundreds are 5,000. So number of tiles needed. Number of tiles needed is equals to 2500. So 2500 tiles needed to cover this whole rectangular region, and tile dimension is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Why we convert meter square into centimeter square? Because of this dimension, because this dimension is in centimeter. Question number 20. A rectangular field 400 meter long has an area of 6 hectares. Calculate the perimeter of the field. So we have to calculate the perimeter. Length is given and it is 400 meter. Area is equals to 6 hectares, and it is given that 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. So 6 hectares is equals to 6 times 10,000, which is 60,000 meters square. Because this is a rectangular field, so area of rectangular field is equals to length times width. Area is given and it is 6 hectares, which is 60,000 meters square. Length is also given and it is 400 meter times width is not given, so write W in place of width. 60,000 meters square divided by 400 meter is equals to width. Meter cancel with square and 20 cancel with 20. So it is 600 over 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 150s are 600. So width is equals to 150 meter. In question they ask, they calculate the perimeter of the field. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all sides. If this side is 400 meter, it means this side is also 400 meter. And width is 150 meter. So this side is 150 meter, this side is also 150 meter. Perimeter of a rectangular field is equals to L plus W multiplied by 2, because there are two sides, 2L and 2W. So 2 times L plus W gives you 2 times L is 400 plus width is 150. 400 plus 150 is 550. 2 times 550 is 1100 meter. So area of perimeter of a rectangular field is 1100 meter.